Microsoft just announced their new GPT-5 language model, and based on what we've already seen, it's completely insane. It even reportedly shocked the whole AI sector. So in this video, we'll delve deeper into what GPT-5 is, how it functions, and what it means for the development of AI. Let's define GPT-5 first, then shall we? GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a category of language model that was created by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence-focused research organization, by foretelling the next word in a sentence or paragraph. The GPT models are intended to produce language that resembles that of a person, and they've had a ton of success doing that. Microsoft's GPT-5 now elevates this concept to a completely new level. It is a linguistic model that can produce not only text, but also full articles, essays, and even novels because it has already been pre-trained on a vast quantity of data, and it does it with an astounding degree of precision and coherence. Early studies really show that GPT-5 is capable of producing content that is essentially indistinguishable from that produced by human authors. How does GPT-5 accomplish this level of precision and coherence then? Well, it all depends on how much data was used for training. A sizable corpus of text, including everything from novels to papers to social media posts and emails, was used by Microsoft to train GPT-5. This enormous amount of data enables GPT-5 to comprehend linguistic nuance in a way that no other model has been able to. That's not all, though. GPT-5 includes a variety of additional features that increase its power. For instance, it offers a prompting capability that enables users to instruct it to simulate a particular topic or writing style. Therefore, you can simply give GPT-5 that prompt if you want it to write an article about technology, and it will produce an article that is pertinent and factual. The capacity of GPT-5 to gain knowledge from feedback is another important characteristic. It can utilize this feedback to improve future output if you give it a piece of text and then point out the good and problematic aspects of it. This implies that GPT-5 will get better at producing accurate, coherent, and interesting writing over time. What does this all signify for the future of AI? Then, there are a lot of potential consequences, both good and bad. GPT-5 could, however, completely transform the way that we write and communicate. It might facilitate the creation of high-quality material without requiring extensive time-consuming research and writing. This might be especially helpful for companies that need to regularly produce significant amounts of material. GPT-5 might also be used in the journalism industry, where it might be utilized to produce news stories or investigative reports. Additionally, it could be utilized to create instructional materials that are factual and interesting in the field of education. GPT-5, however, could possibly have some unfavorable effects. For instance, it might be simpler for someone to produce propaganda or false news. If GPT-5 is able to produce language that is virtually indistinguishable from that written by humans, misinformation might be disseminated widely. The impact on democracy and public dialogue could be severe. Another unfavorable effect of GPT-5 is that it can result in significant job losses in industries like media and content development. Businesses and organizations may not need to hire as many writers or editors if AI can produce high-quality material. This might have a significant effect on the labor market. Along with the features already mentioned, GPT-5 also has the capacity to produce text in a variety of languages, including those on which it hasn't received any particular training. Its use of its zero-shot learning methodology, which enables it to generalize its understanding to new languages based on commonalities between languages, makes this possible. Additionally, GPT-5 contains a feature known as few-shot learning that enables it to pick up new tasks with a small amount of training data. This makes it a very adaptable tool for a variety of activities because it can easily adapt to new domains or applications. The capability of GPT-5 to comprehend context and produce text that is suitable for a specific circumstance is another crucial aspect. For instance, depending on whether it is creating content for a formal report or a casual social media post, it might change its tone and style. The area of natural language processing is an intriguing one where GPT-5 may have a big influence. NLP is the study of how computers can comprehend and process human language, and it has many uses in fields like voice assistants, chatbots, and machine translation. GPT-5 has the potential to significantly increase the precision and efficacy of NLP systems due to its capacity to produce high-quality text and comprehend context. It might be used, for instance, to produce responses for chatbots and voice assistants that seem more natural, or to boost the accuracy of machine translation systems by producing translations that sound more natural and contextually appropriate. The impact of GPT-5 on education is yet another potential area. It could be used to develop individualized learning experiences for pupils because it can produce high-quality instructional content. For instance, it might create personalized tests and study guides based on each student's unique learning preferences and development. GPT-5 might also be used in the realm of content production, especially in fields like marketing and advertising. Businesses may be able to enhance their brand perception and boost sales by creating high-quality content that connects with consumers. The capability of GPT-5 to learn from feedback and change over time is one of its potential advantages. This implies that its performance and accuracy will continue to increase as it is exposed to more and more data. A wide range of applications, from NLP to content production, may be significantly impacted by this. Additionally, GPT-5 might be applied to address problems with inclusiveness and accessibility. It might be used, for instance, to produce more believable speech for voice assistants and other assistive technologies, making them easier and more enjoyable for people with impairments to use. The capacity of GPT-5 to swiftly and effectively produce high-quality content is another potential advantage. For companies and organizations that depend on content generation for their marketing and branding initiatives, this could have important ramifications. These companies might save time and money while still producing high-quality content that appeals to their target audience by adopting AI-generated content. The field of creative writing is another area where GPT-5 might be used. GPT-5's capacity for producing high-quality prose and comprehending context makes it a potential tool for helping writers come up with fresh concepts and create characters and plot lines. In order to free up authors to concentrate on more creative parts of their work, it might also be used to automatically generate text for specific categories of material, such news stories or social media postings. Search engine efficiency and accuracy could both be increased using GPT-5. It might make it easier and faster for consumers to locate the information they need by producing more precise and contextually relevant search results. Customer service is a potential area where GPT-5 could be used. It could be used to develop more successful chatbots and other automated customer support systems because of its capacity to produce responses that sound natural and comprehend context. By doing this, companies may be able to provide excellent customer service while saving time and resources. Despite the fact that GPT-5 has a wide range of potential uses, some people are concerned about its possible harmful effects. Bias and fairness are two of the main issues. Because GPT-5 is trained on a lot of data, it's probable that it will pick up on and reinforce any biases that are already present in the data, which could result in unfair or discriminating results. The possible effect of GPT-5 on employment is still another issue. It's feasible that advancements in technology and increased adoption could cause some companies to lose people, especially those that depend on tasks that can automate. In the end, the development of GPT-5 represents a significant advancement for the science of artificial intelligence and has the potential to completely change the way that we interact, learn, and conduct business. As with any new technology, it's critical that we employ caution and deliberation while implementing it, and make every effort to guarantee that its applications benefit society as a whole. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. Until next time, see you later.